Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna show you how you can do delicious fine dining pepper soup with dry tomatoes and anchovies at home. So let's don't waste time and get started. First, I need to burn some peppers and peel them down. So I put them on baking tray and goes inside the oven on maximum heat under the grill until they will be burned. Now we're gonna burn them even more so I can peel them easily. And then I put them inside a container to steam it. Maybe use bigger box than I did. I didn't have bigger one, but it will work fine. And now it's time to start with the soup. So I peel some red onions and slice them roughly. Then I roast them a little bit on vegetable oil. Also chop some garlic. Now I peel my peppers and keep few pieces for my garnish, and the rest I chop for the soup. My onions got already some color, so I put garlic in and then coming dry tomatoes. After them, my burned and peeled peppers. Season it with salt and pepper. And last, coming anchovies in. Cover it with water and leave it to cook on the side. Next, I will do onion puree. So I chop more onions and I'm gonna roast it on vegetable oil with some sugar until I get nice brown color. Then I put some balsamic vinegar in. Reduce it down, and last step is to blend it inside the machine and delicious onion puree is done. In this time is my soup cooked, so I put double cream in and blend everything inside the machine. Now you have to finish seasoning of your soup. I'm gonna need for sure some balsamic vinegar and salt, and my soup is ready. I just pass it through the chinois and it's ready to go. Now I will do easy rice chips. So I will fry rice paper inside the oil, season it with salt and smoked paprika, and my chips are done. And if you like today's recipe, guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. And last thing I need to do are potatoes for my garnish. So I chop my shapes first and then I cook them inside the boiling water for a few minutes. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I totally recommend you do it so you can see more of my work and ask me your questions about fine dining cooking. Then I roast them fast on the pan. Season it with salt, thyme and butter, and I am ready for plating. So I start with burnet and peeled peppers, then coming roasted potatoes, sweet and sour onion puree, few pieces of anchovies, rice chips with smoked paprika, and finish it with few parsley leaves. And the soup is coming into the jug on the side. And that's it, guys. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you wanna see more of my work or get my personal cooking coaching, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.